Alright, y'all, we're back in Terrell. I think it's still open. Yeah, closes in like 10 minutes. We're gonna do a night take of ClearWater. I'm also gonna, make this a bottom dollar wash to see how well the lowest wash performs. So yeah, we're gonna get the 10 today. 10, 15, 20, and 25. Hello, how you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good. I'll just do the $10 wash today.
No unlimited plan?
No, thank you.
So what do you want to add in these?
No, thank you.
There you go. Your day been good?
Yes, it has. How about yours?
It's pretty good. Feels good out here, so I can't complain.
Yeah.
You want that receipt?
No, thank you.
You all good, man?
All right. Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
Let the wash begin. First time doing a revisit of a tunnel wash. Hoping the lights would be RGB, but several coats of soap, that's good. Seems pretty good for a $10 wash. Really excited when they open a couple other sites in DFW later this year. Awesome location though, can't complain. Maybe one day I'll come back and do the 25. Alright, well, lighting wasn't as what I promised, but wash was still fantastic as, well, I don't know if I want to say always, but, pretty awesome. Well, hope you all enjoyed the video. We will continue with the spree shortly. I gotta stop at Buc-ee's to use the restroom, and then we'll continue with the wash spree. So that being said, hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video.